safe. Yes. Is it a fantasy? Not like this. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kie RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by Outre. They were kind of sending me another unit to review for you guys. Now we have another easy breezy install for you guys. And let me tell you right now, if you don't like long hair, if you don't like synthetic hair, if you don't like blonde hair, if you don't like curly hair, if you don't like tangles or shedding, get all them things this unit does have, but not as much as you may think when it comes to these inches. So you want to see how I laid and slayed this unit to get her sleek like this? Make sure you go ahead and stay tuned for this install. Now, if you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. And I also want all of y'all to give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this one in the future. Let's go. Are we giving the looks or are we giving the looks? Huh? What did I tell y'all? What did I tell y'all? This install was real easy. You only gotta do a couple things to get this unit together for yourself. So let's go ahead and get into that. Now, like I said, this unit comes to us from Outre. It is a part of their SleekLay series. This is the unit Dalilah. She comes in 34 inches. I got her in the color 3D RFF Wheat Blonde, and she does retail around $40 to $45 depending on the site that you get her from. That price does include these specialty colors as you see here on the back, so if you want to check those out, you definitely can. This unit comes with HD lace from ear to ear, 2 combs on the side, 1 comb in the back, and the adjustable straps. This unit is fitting sitting down big head friendly on me. It does have a ventilated cap, so it does stretch over my dome real nice. It does come down evenly on both sides. Even though this unit only comes in the middle part, you can shift the unit to make it a side part if you choose to. I chose to leave her in the middle just to give it the effect that it had on the card, and I'm happy with that. This is also a high-tech fiber unit, so it is heat safe up to about 400 degrees. It also comes with a flat lace finish, meaning you don't have to put a lot of heat or product on the top of your hair to make it lay down, because it's pretty much flat around the parting space, which I like. I did, however, use a little bit of heat on top of my unit because I do have my twists going back, and they are kind of humpy around here, which kind of, you know, made the unit humpy. So just to kind of flatten that out a little bit, I did decide to go ahead and use some heat, but just a little bit, okay? Now, straight out the pack, she was pretty much ready to wear. However, you will want to go on with your products to get your flyaways under control, because this unit is, it's thick, okay? It's thicker than what I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be more, you know, like sleek how she is on her card, and for some reason I thought she was going to be more of that like silky type of vibe. However, in person, this is a lot of hair. It's long, it's 34 inches, okay? You're gonna need some attitude rocking this joint, okay? You're gonna have to you're gonna have to give them a little flip a little bit. If you watch my put down, you saw the products that I used. I used my wax stick, I used my Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine. I also used my curl free or my frizz free curl mousse. All that was with a light hand, so I didn't have to put a whole bunch of product in my hair. I even topped her with a little bit of hairspray just to make sure that, you know, the flyaways were gonna be in place. If you move this hair around too much without any product, it's gonna be a bush by the end of the night, okay? Maybe even an hour after you leave the house, okay? So be careful with that joint, okay? If you want a sleek look, use the products, y'all. Use the products. Synthetic hair, human hair, whatever, use your products. It will make your units last a little bit longer, give it a little bit more wear, and also look a lot better. Now, what you all want to know, does it tangle? Yeah, yes, it's a long synthetic wig with some waves in it, okay? It's gonna tangle. If you don't expect a synthetic wig to tangle, then by all means, spend your coin on human. But with synthetic wigs, you're getting a fast style for the low, $40 for 34 inches. What human hair company is selling that? Okay, you're not gonna get that. Understand what you're getting for your money. I mean, that's why you're here. You want to see the slayage on a budget. Listen, the way this is sitting, the inches that I'm giving, the looks that I'm serving, I'm not mad at her, okay? I'm not mad at her. Just like all my other Outre units, I did use my contour shade around my hairline just to get her blended in. I also used my lighter powder and my contour powder in my parting space to make sure that was good to go. Use your products to get your unit laid down, okay? Trust me, a little bit of work goes a long way. Okay, I promise you, sis, okay? Me and you must never part. Out the house with a trashy wig, okay? Okay, I'm here to help. Y'all see that color? What's that? What color is that? It's like a blonde into like a brownish red color almost. I like that though. Do they have an actual wig in this color? I don't know. I may have to get her. But yeah, she look good, don't she? I'm not mad at her, okay? It's giving very much bohemian vibes, and I'm here for it, okay? Is this a real life? Yes. Is it a fantasy? Not like this. Boop. And y'all, get this brush, okay? Get the brush that I told y'all about. I'm pretty sure I linked it on my Instagram story from Target. It's the Carnair bristle paddle brush. So it has the bristles and the paddle. Yeah, it's a smoothing brush, okay? Get this joint on your natural hair and your wigs. Ow, 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 God, that's worse. Get this brush. But that is all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to Outre for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put some direct links for this unit down below, so you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.